Okay, so we're on the stand at Wheelabrator with Tony Grammauro. Thanks for joining us, Tony.
No problem.
Airshow. There is a very noisy, very rude jet flying around, so maybe some noise, background noise.
That's already an air show.
But it's while we're here.
Exactly.
We're also in the hall, which tends to lose the air conditioning at this time of the afternoon.
Yes,
so
exactly,
it's a bit hot and sweaty, but we're bearing up. It's second day. Been a long couple of days, but it's been probably fulfilling. How's the show been for you?
It's been very busy.
Yeah,
we have quite a few clients coming onto the stand with their opportunities for us to both in the equipment side, manufacturing, for orders, plus also some contract services that we also do.
So tell us what you do. You're in a very specialist area, but explain what it is you do and how crucial it is for the industry.
Wheelabrator is a company that manufactures surface treatment machines, mainly for like surface preparation and also shot peening. Shot peening is a more advanced process of improvement of the surface, and it can generate improve fatigue life of the part. So any high stress components, especially in the aerospace industry, aero engine, landing gears, can have a detrimental effects of the life of the part by using shot peening and enhance that life of that component.
Okay.
So from a 10-year lifespan to 30-year lifespan.
Okay.
So
considerable,
quite considerable lifespan on it. So therefore, it's especially used as a safety margin on components that's manufactured, and we normally use it on metallic components, that's titanium, steel, aluminium.
Yeah.
So again, but high stress. There's aero engine, landing gears, aircraft on wings.
Yes, quite a lot of the aircraft will be treated in this way.
That's right.
So the evidence, the clue is behind us is
that's right.
What is actually happening.
You can see
explain
exactly. You can see you got the nozzle.
Yeah.
Which is you got the media projected out under force.
This is what is this?
They're like spherical media, really. So it could be glass, steel, ceramic.
Right.
And the impact of the energy into the surface will induce a spherical form, which is a compressive form, and then close up any infections on the surface.
Okay.
Through the manufacturing process.
Yeah.
Machining, casting. So it closes those cracks, micro cracks and pores, and hence elongate the life of the part.
Right. Okay.
So, again, you've got a lot of forces on a blade, centrifugal forces, which can propagate to a crack. Yeah. So with shot peening, in it sort of like reduce that effect.
How long has this been used in the industry?
Since the process is going back to the when I'm making swords.
Right.
Especially the Japanese used to make.
It's an ancient technology brought into the modern age.
That's right, because what they do is to do the samurai swords. Yeah. Just to fold them, hammer them.
Right.
And then that effect makes them stronger.
Okay.
Work on the
principle the same.
The same.
Yeah, interesting.
So that's from that we've sort of over the years perfected it. So.
What's the innovation in it? Is there an innovation, or is it a settled technology, or are there areas that you're developing?
The actual innovation is the actual accuracy of the data that you can get out of the process.
Right.
So you're protecting the process itself. Yeah. So the ancient method is the same.
Yeah.
It's
being more effective. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Controlled.
So that's you will treat a surface and then you'll go, did this work?
Yes.
And you're using high-tech equipment to get the data out of that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So most equipment that we manufacture has that technology to analyze, assess that impact on the surface.
Okay. And who are your customers then? What kind of people are you talking to this week?
Well, with most of our aero engine, so Safran,
the big guys, the OEMs,
Airbus, on the structural side of it.
Yeah.
But also we do a lot of work for not just aerospace, but also automotive, space and motorsport. Again, because there's a lot of high torque in those engines that have transmission gears. So. Again, it's a process that we.
It's not just an aerospace business, but aerospace is the main.
Aerospace is the main,
And I guess you've got MROs using it as well.
We use MROs for rework, because again on these high stress components where there were shot peening originally, over time you get corrosion issues. Yeah. So with that to bring back the life of that part, we'll then shot peen it locally.
Okay. So you supply the equipment on one side, but you also have the services side of it.
That's because our equipment is quite expensive. So we give the option of provide a service, and with that service we can react very quickly. Now,
Someone's phone going there.
yeah. So we provide. We get approved by the OEM.
Yeah.
This is a special process. We have to be approved by the OEMs to ensure that we give the continuity of quality.
Yeah.
And performance of the process, and then on top of that, there's a commercial part of it of trying to deliver parts within the timeline that requires.
Sure. So for the customers and potential customers you're speaking to, what are they looking for from you? I mean, this isn't a hidden idea. It's being used widely in the industry. It's not like they're using it for the first time. But what are they looking for you as a partner?
We provide them a full scope of process for this area, and so therefore we can offer them the equipment, give them the training to achieve the level that they need, and also the subcontract service on that process. And they can, because we have so many years of knowledge and experience, we can provide that skill level and to guide that customer towards what their goal is. Because we're in an industry that to manufacture a lot of components in an aircraft, a lot of specialists in it, and we've got to try to use our specialists to support those customers.
Yeah,
that's cool.
So you're British, but you're a British company. You're based in the UK. You've got people based elsewhere, but you're based in the UK. But you're part of Noricam, which you're telling me is Danish. Okay.
Yeah. And so we have globally a lot of companies in Asia, in America, in Europe. Actually, have a lot of manufacturing offices over there. So we've got quite a good footprint globally. And we've got quite a large team of people, both skills, and support.
Yeah.
So yes, it's a good company to work for.
Yeah. Finally, I guess you've been here many times at the Paris Airshow. Again, you're a veteran.
I am.
Would you tell me how many you've been to, or is that age you?
I say between Farnborough and here.
Yeah.
I say probably 15, 16 times.
Okay, enough. Yeah.
Enough. Yeah.
So you've been here and done it. You've seen it.
Yeah.
What's this year been like? I mean, what do you take from it? What's the atmosphere?
No, I think it's very. I mean, since COVID happened and it's a bit of a downer, but it's a bit more positive. I think people are more proactive and get things done. There's a lot of innovative engineering capabilities coming out.
Yeah.
The supply chain's a bit of an issue, as we know, but it's
probably the talking point of this show. Is
exactly, and it's slowly getting there. But we need a lot of new people to come in on board, train them up to get back to where we were.
It is about which is interesting. It's a people business as well.
Business, exactly.
Regardless of the technology, which is amazing. Some amazing examples of it, but you still need the good people behind it.
Yeah.
Look, Tony, thanks for that.
No problem.
Thanks for the update and thanks for inviting us on stand. It is it's bubbles o'clock on stand, so cheers. You haven't got one. There's one there.
Cheers.
Thanks very much. We'll see you in Farnborough maybe next year.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.